Got it, let's come.
Hi, I'm Doug Stanek with Springcut Cattle Company near Gilman, Wisconsin. I started grazing, looking to get into farming with a low input cost to get started, and also the benefits of the healthier grass-fed beef was a big part of it too, researching healthier protein for our family, and then we started doing chickens and pigs and other stuff like that too.
Yeah. What do you do on the farm?
Pet my animals.
You help with the animals. Good.
Do you like flowers?
Flowers are good too, aren't they?
Do you help move the cows?
So at Springcut Cattle Company, our perimeter fence is 5-wire high tensile with wooden posts. 2 of them are hot, and then the bottom one's optional. We can turn it on and off if we get pigs up against the perimeter fence. Internally, use poly reels and O'Brien posts. The fence is powered with a Ken Cove 24 joule fencer. I also have a remote for it too, so I can shut it off out in the field. Use daily moves for our cattle. I feel that get the most even grazing with it, and then I never let any animals, I adjust accordingly to the grass. If I make too big of a paddock, I might leave them there a little longer. You've got to be flexible, and I never leave them anywhere more than 3 days, I feel, to eat the regrowth. We're also finishing steers and have cow-calf. Also custom graze a few animals during heavy growing season, so I don't have to take time off to make hay as much. I think that's it. I don't know. For overwintering, our Red Angus beef cows, we bale graze. I don't really put a poly wire up. I just move the bale ring every time I put a new bale out. Just keep moving across the pasture. I pick a different spot every winter to do that. And I have a jug cattle water fully insulated for winter for them to drink out of in the winter. I also leave the cows on the calves throughout the winter for they can nurse, and then I wean them 2 months before calving season starts. My favorite part of choosing to go to grass and grazing, I guess I just enjoy being out there. It's peaceful. There's all kinds of animals out there. You get to, basically use the animals as a tool to improve the ground. It's just fun to experiment with them. Try one thing in one spot, just wait a month, see what happens, or wait a year. Just keep trying different things to improve. I guess that's just being out there with them, taking the kids with me to move them. They enjoy it, and being out in the fresh air. Yeah, anybody that has kids understands.
Yep. 2 other ones, and they both got in there. It's like
Hardest lesson learned?
Well, I guess one of the hardest things is changing the way I think from the things I've done in the past to just trust trying different things and other things that other people had that worked. Just do it and try it and not be afraid to fail. I guess that's the hardest thing. The other thing that's been hard kind of is starting the online meat marketing business. There's just been a lot of avenues to that, and I'm a person that likes to figure everything out before it happens, and you just got to go with it and adjust as it happens. And then with COVID last year, the market demand changed and had to adjust to that too. Can you tell her about your flowers? What's the name of that one?
I just don't remember.
I don't need help. I just hop in the skid loader, and my dad said you can't lift them by hand, and then you just don't hurt your back. Well, I kind of get them out of the wind. There was a lane, Jim Fly.
There's a metal fence. It's got alfalfa and the other one don't have alfalfa. There's